Good morning from Osaka, Japan. This morning we're on a city tour bus headed for Osaka Castle and a few other sites around the city. So stay tuned and come along with us. So we're down on the river and we just got off the bus and we're going to cross this white bridge into the park of Osaka Castle. Here's the fortified wall that's around all Japanese castles. Pretty impressive. So here you can see the interior of the walls as we go into this gate. We can't see the moat from up here, but you can get a good look at the city skyline. We can see the moat from over here. Mark says you just have to be motivated. I'm not sure what these rocks are. Some of them have markings on them, like you can see here, so I'm not sure if they're remnants of the old castle, because this is the third generation of the castle. It has it was destroyed once in war and once by fire, and the current build was restored by the people of Japan. So those could be just remnants of the older castle or the wall. This is an impressive wood reinforced gate here in the wall. And we're still walking to the castle. You can see how difficult it was to get into the actual inner castle. And then you round the corner and there it is. It's 10:23, and here's the line. It goes all the way down there and back up here. Now, this is Golden Week. It's a major national holiday, so it's going to be extra crowded, but just know that if you get here early, you have a better chance of not having to wait in this line. So just outside of one of the gates of the castle complex, there's this gate leading into a shrine. So I'm gonna go check it out.